Hello mga people! Long time no see, ayan. Side viewing and presentation pala namin ngayon. Then, pagtas is nagsimba kami. So, maaga kami nakauwi. Kaya ayan, for the pamper day muna kami. And ayan, sinama ko si Jowa para at least ma-experience niya naman yung mga ganitong eksena. Wow! Charis lang. Andito nga pala kami ngayon sa The Dreamers Lounge. Dito siya located sa Aurora, Cubao. Super aesthetic ng area and accommodating yung mga tao dito. Pasensya na sa phone ko guys kasi ang dami nagchat-chat. Famous yan, chares. So ayan, nagpaano pala kami guys, foot spa. Yung signature food spa nila. And ayan, nandito na nga pala kami sa aming Era store. So, today yon October 15. Yung last show yung kinuha namin since may mga work nga kami and super busy namin. So, ayan. Pasensya na kayo guys sa boses ko kasi nag-concert talaga ako kagabi. Oh my God. And ayan, magpapapicture sana kami dun sa poster ni Taylor Swift. Kaso sobrang haba ng pila. So pagkatapos na lang ng concert. And yung pinili pala namin is yung 1,000 each na IMAX. O diba siya, alam mo dyan. Halos lahat ata ng kanta ni Taylor Swift is nakanta ko kasi nga favorite ko talaga siya and super love ko yung mga songs niya. Sabi ko pa dyan, if may freebies, pero yun lang yung poster lang pala yung ano. Kala ko may pa light stick pa sila, yung mga ganun. Pero okay lang, at least nakita ko naman sa personal. Nakita ko naman sa movie, film, si Taylor Swift. So, Carabels na yan. Soon, makakapunta din tayo or mamimit din natin siya in person.
May require parental guidance and direction.
Have you ever touched us, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. And I was crying on a staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All you have to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. I think don't be afraid to make it up in this mess. It's a love story. Baby, just say never promised this in my head. I don't know what you're thinking. After the crowd and pulled out a ring and said, marry me to you. You never had to be alone. I love you and that's all I really know. Talk to your dad, go pick up the white dress.
You put a signal and I'll meet you after that. Show me.
Oh my God! Shed it to me, you. This light is sparkling. Don't you let it go. I wonderstruck, flashing all the way home. I've spent forever wondering if you knew I was enchanted to meet you. This is me praying that this was the very first page, not where the storyline ends. My thoughts will echo your name. Are you alright? You keep me next to you. You know about me, but I bet you want to. Everything will be alright. We just keep dancing like we're 22. Hold a sweet disposition, that wide-eyed gaze. It's sucking in the car, getting lost off stage. All the leaves falling down like pieces in this is I can picture it, but I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music. Our song is a stem scream doors, thinking out loud, trapping on your window. We're on a fire when it's dark, really high. I'm the problem, it's me. At tea time, everybody. All the pretenders, one day
You'll be remembered. I said remember this again. I passed the pictures around. How we keep the lights shine, just me and you. I'll see
all this, but we are the pretenders.
Nakalibre si Alison. Dapat pala nagpalit na.
Kanina pa ka dapat sa kanila.
Bakit sino nagpapasok sa'yo? Oh?
Good parking na.
Ayan, ginabi na kami. Sarado na ang mall.